First step in installing a new floor is often removing the old flooring. Now here's where you can really save some money, especially when dealing with wall-to-wall carpeting. Rather than paying a contractor to take it out of the room, you can do it yourself. Now the trick is, rather than rolling it up and trying to carry it out of the room, what I suggest is cutting it into 3 or 4 foot squares, and then you can carry those out very easily. But rather than cutting the carpeting from the front, which makes it really difficult because you have to cut through the pile, plus you also might damage the floor. In this case, we're trying to save the hardwood floor below. What you do is just flop the carpeting over, maybe 3 or 4 foot wide, then use the utility knife to cut it from the back, because the back of the carpet has this really nice rigid fiber, and the knife cuts right through it. So once you get it started, just cut, like I said, maybe 3 or 4 foot square, and you can see how easily it cuts from the back. And you just continue that all the way down the whole strip, and you end up with these pieces that you can just sort of pile up. So you continue down, and then when you're done with this strip, flop it over, again, another 3 or 4 feet, make a slice, and cut it up. And what you end up with is a bunch of nice sized squares that you can either leave at the curb for the trashman to pick up, or take to a local landfill. Now another thing is, before you discard the carpeting, check with a local refuse company, because you might be able to recycle it.